Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku. And it's time now for the binary puzzle. Number 8594. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, we have always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's get started. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Oh, double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. And now, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, quick to solve without comparing. And I like this one. In the flow. We solve it again, and I like this. Yes. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. AKA Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cijfer Block. Yes. See you in a minute. Bye-bye for now.